Welcome back to Car Fusion, the home of automotive excellence, ****. Now, imagine a car that blends the raw power of a V8, the silence of electric drive, and the elegance only Mercedes-Benz can deliver. What if we told you that this luxurious beast is not just fast, it's electrified, intelligent, and redefining what performance sedans should be? Get ready to experience the 2025 Mercedes-Benz AMG S63 E, where luxury meets electrification, and performance meets perfection. At first glance, the 2025 AMG S63 E demands your attention. This is not just a sedan, it's a rolling statement of power and prestige. The front grille, bold, wide, and dripping with AMG heritage, carries the signature vertical slats that scream performance. The massive air intakes, sculpted hood, and piercing digital light headlamps give it a fierce and confident road presence. This car doesn't whisper luxury, it shouts it with class. And when you move to the side, the aggressive stance, AMG forged wheels, and chrome detailing create an athletic silhouette that's both elegant and intimidating. At the rear, the quad exhausts, sporty diffuser, and subtle AMG badging wrap up the look with pure dominance. Step inside, and you're immediately surrounded by a world crafted for royalty. The AMG S63 E's interior isn't just luxurious, it's futuristic. From the moment you sit in the diamond-stitched Napa leather seats, you'll feel the embrace of world-class craftsmanship. Every inch of the cabin is draped in rich materials, from real aluminum to open-pore wood trim. And yes, it's not just beautiful, it's smart. The massive MBUX Hyperscreen stretches across the dashboard, offering crystal-clear visuals, lightning-fast controls, and artificial intelligence that adapts to your every need. You can control everything from navigation to ambient lighting with just your voice or fingertips. The Burmester 4D surround sound system takes in-cabin audio to the next level, vibrating your seat with bass and filling the space with concert-quality clarity. Rear passengers, they get heated, cooled, and massaging seats, plus dual screens and executive comfort that feels like a private jet. Under the hood lies a masterpiece, a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with a high-performance electric motor. Combined, this plug-in hybrid powerhouse produces a jaw-dropping 791 horsepower and 1,055 lb-ft of torque. Yes, you heard that right. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, making it one of the fastest luxury sedans on the planet. But this isn't just speed for the sake of it, it's smart performance. The AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system delivers precision handling, while the air suspension glides over roads like silk. And let's not forget the pure electric mode. Need to cruise in silence? The AMG S63 E can do that too, offering up to 33 miles of electric-only driving. Perfect for city trips without burning a drop of fuel. This car isn't just about luxury and speed, it's also about intelligence. The 2025 AMG S63 E comes loaded with next-generation driver assistance features. From active lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and traffic sign recognition, to a 360-degree camera system and even augmented reality navigation, this Mercedes is practically your co-pilot. It also features the latest version of Mercedes' energizing comfort system, which adapts lighting, climate, massage functions, and even scent, to keep you relaxed and focused. Long drive? This car turns it into a wellness retreat. Driving the AMG S63 E isn't just about reaching a destination, it's about the journey. With multiple drive modes, rear-wheel steering, and an AMG-specific setup, you can tailor the ride to your mood, from comfort cruising to full-throttle aggression. And when you stop, people notice. Whether it's the glowing LED lights, the AMG stance, or the elegant presence, the 2025 S63 E leaves an impression that lasts long after the engine goes silent. So, what is the 2025 Mercedes-Benz AMG S63 E? It's the future of performance luxury. A car that's powerful yet intelligent, aggressive yet elegant. It's a machine that blends the best of both worlds, V8 thunder and electric silence, into a single breathtaking experience. If you want a car that delivers executive comfort, supercar speed, and the latest technology in one sleek package, this is it. Thanks for watching Car Fusion ***, where we bring the future of driving to your screen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping automotive content. Until next time, keep driving the dream, ***.